Hey everyone, in today's video we'll be showing you how to create webhooks on Discord. Before I get into it, please be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to never miss future uploads like this. Without further ado, let's get right into it. First, I'll quickly explain what a webhook is. A webhook allows you to automatically send messages such as posts of your own YouTube videos from your YouTube channel or any YouTube link in particular to your Discord server, which I'll be showing you how to do today. To make a webhook, first you'll need to go to the server you want to add webhooks in. Then click on server settings in the top left corner. You want to make your way to the integrations option, and here you will see webhooks. Simply click on it and Discord will automatically make a bot for you, which you can customize to your liking, such as adding your personalized name and changing the avatar of the bot. After doing so, click on a channel and select the channel you would like the webhooks to appear in, then click save. Next, we will need to copy the webhook URL and go to a site called discohook.org. When you reach here, simply add your webhook URL from earlier, and in the content section, add whatever it is you may need to create. In this case, I'm going to link a YouTube video of mine. After that, just click send and it should automatically send it to the desired Discord channel you chose earlier. And that's it. I hope this video was able to help, and thanks for watching.